Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 860 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the VT and BTS Super Tempting Triple Power Mascara. So you might have seen on my channel that I already tried out the VT Cosmetics and BTS collab lip rouge products that I loved. So this is Korean makeup. It was sent to me for free by VT Cosmetics, but these are not sponsored videos. But I can have my review video that I did on the lip rouge linked in the description down below because I was so impressed. That was my first time trying out Korean makeup and I absolutely loved it. I'm actually wearing one of the lipsticks, lip rouge, right now. This is in the shade Lovesick, but they're just such a cool texture. And these are available on Amazon. They're Amazon Prime. The mascara here retails for $25 on Amazon, but oh, it sounds so nice because it's a all-in-one volumizing, lengthening, and curling mascara. It's also waterproof, so I love that. And this packaging is so cute. So here is what it looks like. If you're not aware, BTS is a hugely famous, internationally famous boy band. So this is a really neat collab. Let's check out the applicator. Whoa, this is a unique shape compared to any mascaras that I've seen. So it's got kind of shorter bristles, which I like, but it's very lopsided. So I'm very intrigued to see how this will work. I'm gonna go right ahead and start applying it to one of the eyes. Wow, this wand is kind of funny looking to me, but it seems to be working really well. It's definitely gripping all of the lashes so that every lash gets coated in the mascara. It's keeping them nice and separated. This is also looking very dark, black, and it does seem to be volumizing and lengthening upon first impression. But I'm actually getting a lot of mascara on my eyelid. I thought that this mascara wand would make it less messy, but I'm already making a big mess. But that first layer looks really good. No clumping. It's not as curling and lifting as I'm wanting, as I'd hoped for. So we'll see if when I apply more mascara, it gets more curled. But so I'll let this top layer dry for a little bit and I'll try it on the lower lash line. This is a great shape for the lower lash line when you take it in that kind of U shape. It fits perfectly under the eye. So this is a perfect lower lash line mascara to fit the eye shape and get all of the lashes. That looks really good. Let me see if I can build up more length, volume, and curl when I apply another layer. And this does appear to be a fiber mascara. So that means there are little kind of fuzzes that attach to the lashes. And some of them are looking really long, but that helps to add a lot of volume to the lashes. But I don't think I have ever really seen fibers this long. Some of them are so long it looks like little lashes that have like fallen off, but it's just the fibers in the mascara. So that's really unique to me. But wow, yeah, this gets very volumized. But once I add too much, the lashes start to stick together. So I think this only needs 2 coats to get the full volume. And it's okay, it's just not as separated and full looking as I want in my mascaras. I also have so much mascara on my eyelid, but let me go ahead and try it out on my other eye to get my final thoughts. When I added more, the lashes definitely got mascara everywhere. But it looks like the lashes did get more lifted, but they didn't curl. So they're going up a bit more, but not curling. They're more like straight up. And I prefer the look of more curled lashes. So I would definitely use a lash curler with this mascara. What's good about this is that it applies a lot of volume very quickly. So you don't have to put on lots of coats and spend a lot of time building up the volume, because it really only needs 2 layers. But I think my favorite use of this is for the lower lash line. It's just the perfect shape for getting those lower lashes. And so I have the mascara all over my eyelids, and it's really hard to get off because it is waterproof formula. I mean, I guess that just proves how long lasting this mascara is going to be, but that also makes it difficult because I'm definitely going to get mascara on my eyelids, and then it's going to be hard to get it off. So my final thoughts are that this is a nice mascara. It gave a lot of volume, but it's very messy. I do like that it's waterproof and long lasting, but it's definitely not my favorite mascara that I've ever tried. I don't love it. As far as the BTS and VT Cosmetics collection, the products that I've tried so far, I prefer the lip rouge over the mascara. I am glad I tried this out. My experience with the Korean mascara compared to other mascaras I've tried out, I think this is the same as the other mascaras I've tried out that are, I guess, American-based brands. It gives the same effect as the mascaras that I've tried before, although I was very intrigued by how long the fibers were in this mascara, because I had not seen fibers that long before. I still had so much fun trying this product out though. I love trying out mascaras because I feel like even though mascaras are such similar products, they can be so different when applied, and I'm so picky with my mascaras that I can always tell the difference between them. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.